G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, I've been playing around with this little Stirling engine that I've sort of trying to design, flying from the seat of my pants, and it's built around a little air dampener that Craig Roop sent me from Oklahoma, and it actually does run, but there's a problem in that. Well, it's got a couple of problems actually. It doesn't run with the metho pot. I just can't get it to run with the metho pot that's from the other Stirling engine. The only way it will run is with the gas torch on it, LPG torch, and it runs with that. But and then it gets to a point where it overheats. So I think that the problem is that there's too much heat transfer in this copper here, and it's overheating the not enough temperature differential, and then it eventually overheats the cold side of the engine. So what I'm going to do is replace this with some stainless steel. I'm going to put a stainless steel, very thin stainless steel end on it and insulate it, so I'll have some sort of gasket, asbestos gaskety type stuff between the hot end and the cold end. Anyway, let's see if we can get it running. Yeah, we'll give it a go. We'll try it. It'd be funny if it went, it'd make a liar of me. I seriously doubt it's going to run though. It's a pretty cold morning this morning, so you never know, it might do it. See, I'm wondering with that flame, it's the cool part of the flame there. Maybe that pot should be lower. Oops, I reckon the place here. See, it's so close to going it won't quite do it. A bit of oil. See that? Oh, come on, baby. It's a friction thing, I think. Okay, we'll give it some gas. Look at that baby go. We're almost there. Look at that. Well, there you go, folks. The latest update. It's it's a goer, but it's not quite there yet. So yeah, I'll try lowering the pot first, see if that helps it. Maybe the pot's too close. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to replace the brass end with a stainless steel end. And yeah, I'll get this mother running properly eventually, but it's been interesting to say the least. Okay, that's it from me. Yep, see you next time. Cheers.